Hello, we're working here today on 4.1, variables on both sides. So that's an equation where we have a letter, some symbol, a variable, something that can change eventually on both sides of the equal sign. So say like 2x plus 3 equals 4x minus 1. Notice we have a variable x on both sides. And so we have 6 steps here to help us solve an equation has variables on both sides. First things first, distribute. That's what we have to do when we have parentheses. For example, let's suppose we have 2 times the quantity x plus 3. Okay, so if you remember, distribute means to multiply everything inside the parentheses times 2. So 2 times x, and then 2 times 3, which is 6. So distribute first. You got to get those parentheses out of there. And then we combine like terms. So if we wind up on the left side having 2x plus 4x, we need to combine those like terms, go from 2 terms down to 6x. So combine like terms. Then we want to move all our variables to one side of the equal sign using addition and subtraction. Then move all our constants, so nothing with letters, everything, all the numbers, no letters, to the other side of the equal sign. So we're going to have variables on one side. Try to write this out kind of neat. Variables on one side, constants or those numbers on the other side. Then we multiply or divide. And finally, check our answer. Substitute our answer, whatever we found for x, y, whatever variable, substitute it back into the original equation to make sure it works. If it works, then we can put a smiley face on it. We got her done. Now, there's a couple situations where we can have what's called infinite solutions and no solutions. Infinite means unlimited, that no matter what we put in for x, our equation always works. So when we work out our equation, simplify it down, solve it down, and all the variables are gone, then that number sentence is true. For example, if we work it out where all the x's or y's are all gone, and we have simply something like 5 equals 5, that is a true sentence. And if it works out and I wind up getting 9 equals 9, left side equals the right side, and no letters involved, another true statement. Or something like 0 equals 0. That would be infinite solutions. No matter what I put in for my variable, the left side's always going to be equal to the right side. A number equal, or a constant equals a constant, the same constant. And then we have stuff like no solutions, when all the variables are gone and that number sentence is false, where the left side does not equal the right side. For example, once you get all your letters worked out, simplified, gone, and you wind up with something like -4 is equal to 10, no, that is not true. That is a false sentence. Work it out, you wind up with 12 equals 9. Nope, don't think that's true. Again, this is an example of where there's no solution. It's false, and the original equation that we worked with has no solution. Same thing here. If it works out, -1 is equal to 4. We know that's not true. That means the sentence is false, and we have what's called no solutions. And sometimes, I forgot up here on the infinite, sometimes when you have unlimited answers, unlimited possibilities, we use the infinity symbol, infinite solutions. So to infinity and beyond in our algebra class. All right, please make sure you write down these notes on your worksheets. Maybe write down all these steps on an index card to help you as you get started and get very comfortable and get perfect at solving equations. Stay tuned. We're going to start working on examples. Bye.